In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack if you want to organize conversations for a team, a project, or a specific topic. Creating a channel is one of the best ways to keep everything clear and easy to find. Slack channels help separate discussions so people can collaborate without important messages getting lost. To get started, open Slack and look at the channel section in the sidebar. From there, click the plus icon. Or if you see the option that says Add Channels, you can click that instead. Both options take you to the same place, so just use whichever one is visible in your workspace. Once the channel creation window opens, type in the channel name. Try to choose a name that clearly matches the purpose of the channel. For example, you might use a name related to a department, a project, or an ongoing discussion topic. Keeping the name simple and recognizable makes it easier for everyone to know where to post and what the channel is for. After entering the channel name, click Next to continue. This moves you to the next part of the setup where Slack asks how visible you want the channel to be. At this stage, choose the visibility for the channel. This setting decides who can find and access it. In general, a public channel can be discovered and joined by people in the workspace, while a private channel is limited to selected members. Think about the kind of conversations that will happen there before making your choice, so the channel fits the level of access you need. Once you've selected the visibility, click Create. Slack will then generate the new channel for you and open it so you can continue setting it up. After the channel is created, Slack may prompt you to invite people right away. If you're not ready to do that yet, click Skip for now for the user invite step. This is helpful if you want to finish setting up the channel first, or if you want to decide later who should be added. And that's it. Your new Slack channel is now created and ready to use. From here, you can start conversations, share updates, and invite team members whenever you're ready. A quick tip before you go. Using clear channel names and the right visibility settings from the start can save time and make collaboration much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.